In this video, inspired by the amazing Mileage Impossible community, link in the description below, we're counting down 20 incredible cars that hit 1 million miles or more. While some reached 1 million miles with rebuilt engines, 12 cars on this list hit the milestone on their original engines, and that's what truly counts. Don't miss number 1. It's not the Guinness World Record Volvo P1800 with 3 million miles, but a Japanese marvel that reached 1 million miles on its original engine and transmission. Let's jump in. Number 20 is the 1963 Plymouth Fury, a true icon of endurance. Canadian taxi driver Joseph Vaillancourt drove it 1,621,591 miles, making it the highest mileage muscle car ever recorded before a truck ended its run in 1999. Powered by a slant 6 engine, rebuilt 6 times, it survived decades of harsh taxi service. Vaillancourt's meticulous care, weekly oil changes, daily washes, and detailed records kept the original chassis and body going strong through brutal Canadian winters. At number 19 is the 1964 Porsche 356C, a million-mile marvel. California yacht broker Guy Newmark drove his cobalt blue 356C, nicknamed Blue, over 1 million miles across 4 decades. Powered by its original 1.6-liter flat 4, Blue received meticulous maintenance every 3,000 miles. Though rebuilt twice and given a new transmission at 900,000 miles, the car kept its original soul. More than a collector's item, Blue was Newmark's daily driver, proving classic sports cars can go the distance. At number 18 is the 1976 Mercedes-Benz 240D, which proved that durability can come in a humble package. With just 65 horsepower, this diesel workhorse became legendary thanks to Greek taxi driver Gregorios Sakinidis, who drove it an astonishing 2.8 million miles. His secret is in relentless maintenance, 11 engine overhauls, 2 full replacements, and a preserved original chassis and body. Despite harsh taxi duty, the car never failed him. Even more incredible is a W123-240D Lang taxi in Spain, nicknamed Dominguito. Entering service in 1988, it's logged over 4.35 million miles, 7 million kilometers, running non-stop with 3 rotating drivers. It receives weekly oil changes, but doesn't qualify for a mileage record due to its shared use. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. At number 17 is the 1963 Volkswagen Beetle, which became a legend thanks to California resident Albert Klein, who drove it an incredible 1.6 million miles over 3 decades. Powered by a modest 40-horsepower, 1.2-liter flat-4 engine, the Beetle's simple, repairable design helped it endure. Klein's secret? A relentless commitment to maintenance. He documented every repair, tire change, and oil change, addressing issues immediately. Though the engine was rebuilt multiple times, the car's durability and Klein's care made the journey possible. At number 16 is the Volvo 240 sedan, its automotive endurance on 4 wheels. Known for its iconic boxy shape and the legendary red block engine, this Swedish classic delivers a level of durability most modern cars can't match. Selden Cooper's 1987 Volvo 240 hit 1 million miles in 2012 during its 200th oil change. For 25 years, it handled brutal multi-state commutes, freezing -22 degrees Fahrenheit firefighting duties, and road trips from Nova Scotia to the Florida Keys. Cooper credited his success to strict maintenance and a 25-year relationship with Lehman Motors Volvo, even driving 190 miles from Baltimore for servicing. However, while his story is legendary, he doesn't take the top spot on our list. The car went through 3 engine replacements. Still, it's a powerful reminder that with proper care, Volvo's Swedish tanks are more than just vehicles. They're built to go the distance. Coming up at number 15 is the 1983 Lincoln Town Car. It became a million-mile legend thanks to delivery driver Chet Belisle, who racked up 1.3 million miles over 25 years, often driving 500 miles a day. Powered by Ford's durable 5.0-liter V8 and built on the robust Panther platform, the car handled coast-to-coast travel with surprising resilience. Belisle's secret is in careful maintenance, including just 1 engine and 1 transmission rebuild. He also used lifetime warranties to keep key components in top shape. Despite the grueling mileage, the town car never left him stranded, a true testament to classic American engineering. At number 14 is the Volvo 740 GLE. It isn't just a boxy Swedish sedan, it's a symbol of legendary durability. Powered by the reliable 2.3-liter B230 engine, many 745s have surpassed 1 million miles, proving Volvo's unmatched longevity. One of the great examples is Jim O'Shea's 1991 740 GLE. Bought against his father's advice, he vowed to hit 1 million miles, and in 2021, he did. It took 2 transmission swaps, 3 engine replacements, but the original body stayed intact. Volvo rewarded him with a new S60, delivered by the same salesman who sold the original car. Vic Dress's 1988 740 GLE also reached 1,899 miles, showcasing the model's toughness. These Swedish legends often outlast everything, including their owners. Whether it's a 740, a 240, or a P1800, these Swedish legends often outlast everything, including their owners. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. At number 13 is the famous Irv Gordon's 1966 Volvo P1800. It holds the Guinness World Record for the highest mileage on a non-commercial vehicle driven by a single owner, an astonishing 3.25 million miles. But despite this legendary achievement, it lands at number 13 on our list due to 2 engine rebuilds. Produced from 1961 to 1973, the Volvo P1800 combined Swedish reliability with Italian styling. Originally powered by the B18 engine and later the B20, this sporty coupe became iconic through Gordon's unwavering dedication. Irv reached his record mileage by doing all the maintenance himself, religiously following the owner's manual, changing the oil regularly, and never skipping the basics. He claimed the car never needed major repairs, just consistent care, attention to detail, and a lot of elbow grease. A true testament to durability and devotion. Next on the list at number 12 is the 2013 Hyundai Elantre. It shattered durability expectations when delivery driver Farrah Haynes accumulated an astonishing 1 million miles in just 5 years. That's 548 miles daily compared to the average American's 14,000 miles yearly. Powered by its original 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, this Korean marvel reached this milestone with its factory powertrain intact. Haynes' secret was disciplined maintenance, including oil changes every 2 weeks and providing proper care that transforms ordinary cars into legends. The achievement was so extraordinary that Hyundai had to create a special 1M badge, since the digital odometer couldn't display 7 digits. After verifying the mileage through service records, VN reports, and thorough mechanical inspection, Hyundai rewarded Haynes with a brand new 2019 Elantre in vibrant red. Coming in strong at number 11 is the 2004 Ford Crown Victoria, a legendary workhorse that proves durability isn't just a myth, it's a mission. This particular Crown Victoria, a police interceptor variant, clocked over 1,023,500 miles, solidifying its place among the million-mile elite. Under the hood is Ford's tried-and-true 4.6-liter modular V8, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, all of which remained original through the million-mile journey. Even the drivetrain and exhaust system stayed factory stock, a rare feat for any vehicle, let alone one that's been through the grind of daily use. The secret? Consistent, no-nonsense maintenance with oil changes every 7,000 to 11,000 miles, proving that disciplined care and rock-solid engineering can turn a fleet favorite into a high-mileage legend. At number 10 is the 2014 Lexus CT 200H that may be a compact luxury hybrid, but it became a million-mile marvel in the hands of delivery driver Nader Assad. Over just 10 years, he logged nearly 100,000 miles annually, pushing the CT's Toyota-sourced 1.8-liter hybrid powertrain, shared with the Prius, to its absolute limit. Despite constant daily startups and shutdowns, the hybrid system endured. Assad credits regular oil changes with lab reports, tire rotations, and prompt part replacements like spark plugs, filters, and fluids. The car needed 2 head gaskets and 1 hybrid battery, but the original powertrain remained strong. When the digital odometer hit 999,999 miles, it simply froze, silently marking a rare milestone. This feat proves that even a fuel-sipping hybrid can deliver legendary durability, so long as it's maintained with care and driven with purpose. Next, at number 9 is the 1996 Lexus LS400, a symbol of bulletproof engineering and durability. Matt Farah purchased this luxury sedan with 897,000 miles and drove it past the 1 million mark with the original 4.0-liter 1 UZF EV8 engine still intact. Despite being driven by over 100 different people across 4 years, the LS400 remains smooth, quiet, and relentlessly reliable. Farah invested over $17,000 in maintenance and $4,500 annually on commercial insurance, but the car never left anyone stranded, aside from the occasional dead battery. Even at 1,000,000 miles, the Lexus still felt refined, proving that a luxury car can absolutely go the distance. When the odometer hit 999,999 and stopped counting, it marked a fittingly understated finale for one of the most durable and well-built vehicles of the 1990s. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Next, at number 8 is the 2006 Honda Civic LX. Ohio resident Paul Habib Jr. transformed his humble Civic into legend by accumulating 1,000,000 miles on its original 1.8-liter engine and automatic transmission through religious maintenance and primarily highway driving. When Honda engineers inspected Habib's million-mile marvel, they confirmed its exceptional mechanical integrity despite its modest 140 horsepower, proving lightweight, efficient engineering delivers extraordinary longevity. Next up, at number 7 is the legendary 1991 Honda CRXSI, a compact rocket that proved endurance is just as thrilling as performance. This sporty hatchback racked up a jaw-dropping 1,002,474 miles on its original 1.6-liter engine and 5-speed manual transmission, earning it a permanent place on display at Tampa Honda. Maintained with meticulous care and routine service, the CRXSI became a symbol of what smart engineering and regular upkeep can achieve. Despite its modest 105 horsepower, this lightweight marvel traveled the distance from Earth to the Moon twice and still retains its original interior and drivetrain. Tampa Honda proudly showcases this million-mile icon as proof when you care for a Honda, it just keeps going. At number 6 is the 1993 Honda Accord wagon. That isn't just a family hauler, it's automotive immortality on wheels. Kansas courier Gordon Bears transformed his humble wagon into legend by accumulating precisely 1,000,000 miles on its original 2.2-liter 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Bears Accord conquered this milestone while transporting canceled checks across multiple states, sometimes covering 750 miles daily. The wagon's mechanical resilience despite punishing service is truly remarkable. Bears' secret? Relentless preventive maintenance that preserved the original powertrain through 30 sets of tires and 2 clutch replacements. Though he invested approximately $70,000 in upkeep over the years, Bears considered it far more economical than buying new vehicles. Coming up at number 5 is the 1989 Saab 900 SPG. Wisconsin traveling salesman Peter Gilbert transformed his black SPG into legend by accumulating an astonishing 1,001,385 miles on its original 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Gilbert's Saab conquered this extraordinary milestone over 17 years of relentless service, averaging a staggering 125,000 miles annually through Wisconsin's harsh winters and salt-covered roads. What makes this achievement truly remarkable is that the engine and most components remained original throughout the journey. Gilbert's secret is meticulous maintenance and addressing issues immediately. While the transmission was rebuilt at 200,000 miles and the hood replaced after 8 deer collisions, the original engine continued purring like new. Coming up at number 4 is the 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE. Powered by the legendary M1302 2.8-liter inline-6 engine, this German masterpiece redefined longevity in the automotive world. George and Lutz Stellakaschel transformed their elegant 280 SE into a million-mile legend, accumulating a staggering 1,019,000 miles during decades of faithful service. Most remarkably, this automotive Methuselah reached this milestone with its original drivetrain intact. The Kaschel's secret? Religious adherence to maintenance schedules, proper oil change intervals, and a gentle driving style that preserved the mechanical components. Their 280 SE conquered countless cross-country road trips while maintaining its dignified presence. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the 1993 Toyota Corolla. It has reached an incredible milestone, over 1.24 million miles, 2 million kilometers, on its original engine and transmission. New Zealand newspaper delivery contractor Graham Hebley bought the car in 2000 with 50,000 miles and has since driven about 3,000 miles weekly. The secret to its longevity is meticulous maintenance every 2 weeks. While parts like the cam-bolt and wheel bearings have been replaced, the powertrain remains untouched. John Sherman, the car's mechanic for over 22 years, says, "Toyota cars are built different. This humble Corolla proves that with proper care, even a basic daily driver can achieve truly extraordinary mileage." Just missing the 1st spot, at number 2 is a true endurance icon, The 1991 Mercedes-Benz W124 E-Class stands as one of the most reliable vehicles ever built, and this one proves it with over 2.1 million miles on the clock. Former taxi driver Magnus Sale from Norway drove his diesel W142 an astonishing 2.1 million miles, 3.4 million kilometers, with the original engine and automatic transmission still running smoothly. Incredibly, the car reached its first million kilometers by 1997, needing nothing beyond regular oil and filter changes. Even after turning over the odometer multiple times, the drivetrain remained rock solid, while the body and interior show signs of age, understandable after several Earth-to-Moon round trips. Magnus, now 84, says he'll never give it up. And this isn't just a one-off. He also owns a 900,000-kilometer W210, and other W124s, like a 1986 E200D, are known for unmatched longevity and efficiency. There's even an unverified claim of a W124 taxi in Spain, reaching 3.4 million miles. Taking the top spot is the 1990 Honda Accord, a true million-mile marvel. Main mechanic Joe Lo Cicero, aka Million Mile Joe, drove his Accord over 1 million miles on the original 2.2-liter engine and manual transmission. His secret? Relentless maintenance, 185 oil changes, 31 transmission fluid swaps, and 9 timing belts, all meticulously logged. When Joe hit the million mark in 2011, Honda threw a parade and gave him a new Accord. Though the paint was refreshed, the original drivetrain kept running strong. But Joe's Accord isn't alone. The 2003 Accord 5.6, driven by Texas courier Justin Kilmer, also hit 1 million miles, still on its original engine. Then there's a 1991 Accord EX with a staggering 1.16 million miles handed down from father to son, both devoted to diligent care. And that's just the beginning. We could probably fill an entire list with nothing but high-mileage Accords. Honda didn't just build cars, they built legends. And that's a wrap. 20 incredible cars that shattered the million-mile mark. Whether on rebuilt engines or original powertrains like our #1 Honda Accord, these vehicles prove that with proper maintenance, cars can truly last a lifetime. Huge thanks to the Mileage Impossible group for the inspiration. You can find a link to their group in the description below. Should I make a similar video about trucks that reached 1 million miles? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.